Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Rough day here, very nice bounce on, Thursday. There's no doubt about that. You got to give full credit where credit's due. I mean, came all the way up here, and then what a coincidence, right where it got rejected from, that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. That's why, if anybody ever tells you that charts don't work, now are charts perfect? No. But to say that charts have absolutely zero relevance, that's just not true. And here's an example of that right there. And you can see that it also was rejected right there. So keep that in mind going forward, because besides just kind of proving the point that, yeah, charts have a place, that's also going to be the very key level of resistance going forward from the overarching perspective. Because as this has proved, yeah, this one's been in a downtrend, but just because the stock is in a downtrend, doesn't mean money can't be made. There can be bounces within it. However, all bounces should be looked at with a very skeptical eye until the price can really prove itself. And what do I mean by prove itself? Well, the first step in that would be just getting up above that purple line and staying up above it again, that purple line on my chart denoting the 50-period simple moving average. So keep an eye on that from the overarching point of view. The near-term level of resistance would be down here at this area of, let's see, what is that, 207. And this is coming from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support, so right here I think we can all agree that was a level of support, are broken, they tend to act as resistance. So given that the price did break down below that area today, that would be the initial area. So very near-term level, 207. Then after that, you can turn your attention back to the 50-period simple moving average. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of, the bleeding finally stopped today down around the $1.98 mark. So $1.98 will be that key level that you want to see the price stay up above. Like I said, for no other reason, nothing fancy other than that's just where the price finally stopped going down today. So overall, though, got some sideways price movement here. So potential bottom here forming, but no such thing as a guarantee. So as always, risk management and risk control need to be at the forefront of the strategy. But from a risk-reward perspective, this one's looking pretty interesting, so we'll see what happens with it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.